What is up, guys? We're back with another video. Let's talk about what we're gonna do today. I have no idea what we're gonna do today, actually. Here's the old rig, but it's just pouring. Like, everything's mud. All the snow melted, but it's supposed to snow. It's supposed to snow again this week, so hopefully we're supposed to get snow tonight, actually. So hopefully it's a lot. It's supposed to snow all night long, so I'm sure it'll be a lot. I might spray the truck off, even though it's raining, but I mean, I'm going to get underneath everything, just spray it off and stuff. Get all the salt off of it, and we'll see what we do from there. Hopefully it doesn't start pouring on us, or maybe that'd be a good thing, because it'd help me wash the truck. But, yeah, guys, I don't know what else we're going to get done today, because it's pouring out. Oh yeah, there's so much flooding going on everywhere. So the pond flooded. It's gonna need some, like, the breastworks. It took some of it out, not really like to where it's like going through it or anything. It just, like, you need to see where it took away some of the dirt, so I'll have to fix that on a day we get dry day out. But yeah, today, guys, I think it's just gonna be I do have to fix a light, one of my cab lights. So I could pull a truck in here and fix that. That shouldn't take too long. Yeah, so that's what we'll get going. I'm going to spray the truck off and let you guys see some of that. So, here we go. Alright, guys, I'm going to catch back up with you after I get this done. This little electric pressure washer is pretty much like, it does the job, but very slowly. Our good gas pressure washers put away for the winter, because we don't have nowhere really, like in the barn. It's not heated or anything, so if you use it and it gets cold, I don't want it to freeze and stuff, so we just keep that put away for the winter. So that's why I got to use this thing for now. But yeah, I'm gonna get this get it all pressure washed off, and I'll catch you guys when it's done. Alright, guys, so I got the truck, both sides all cleaned up. I cannot wait to fix that. Once she gets springtime out, the whole truck's getting done over. We're gonna chassis saver the whole frame, everything. I just got all the salt off, got everything sprayed underneath, sprayed the truck down a little bit, but really worked on the underneath of the truck. Just so I could, like, get all the salt off, so it doesn't sit on the frame, or, you know, any kind of parts underneath. So I just got the whole underneath really good and cleaned off. And well, it's pouring now at this point. I'm soaking wet. I think, I'm trying to think, tomorrow it's going to be snowing, but at least it won't be soaking wet out, so hopefully we can get something done, like that cab light. I'll probably end up just doing the cab light tomorrow, because it's starting to get actually pretty cold out, and it's soaking wet. Well, it's soaking wet. I'm soaking wet, and it's getting pretty cold out now through the Carhartt on and a beanie. So I think we're going to do the cab light tomorrow, and then we'll go from there. So got the truck all cleaned up. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video, because we're probably going to do there's a couple of things I have in mind, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. And also, last video I did, we had like 36, 37 subs. Now we're at like 47, guys. It's growing pretty fast, and I'm happy about it all. We're 3 away from 50 subscribers. I say we try to get 100. Let's go for 100. So smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. Let's hopefully we can grow even bigger, and leave a comment down below what you want to see done to the truck, or anything you want to see done in the vlogs, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.